It starts with a question. How can I help people do the things they want to do in their lives? For me, that question led to studying occupational therapy. At Notre Dame Uni, we learn by doing. From day one, we're learning about using real equipment in supportive classes that prepare us for clinical practice across a range of settings. We build practical skills that we'll use in our careers, like client assessment, rehabilitation techniques, and working with assistive equipment.
We have 1,000 hours of professional work integrated learning built into the course, starting from the first semester of second year. We're connected with real clients in professional settings through the Placement Provider Connector platform. It's an opportunity to see how classroom learning comes to life in practice. We gain confidence, develop practical experience, and make valuable industry connections along the way. By the time we graduate, we will have spent time in the field and will be ready to step into the profession. Notre Dame Uni has helped me grow into a professional who's ready to support people in doing the things that matter most and to make a real difference every day.